and stumbling, mumbling and stumbling, mumbling and stumbling. Okay, we got this. Who got this? We got this. Who got this? We got this. All right, let's see what we can do. Welcome, welcome, welcome to your very own tutorial, hosted by your hilarious host, yours truly, me, Monique. Today we're gonna go over the project panel and some of the different view options that are available in it. First up, I'm going over the list view. It may not be something that people default to using, but it can be very helpful. The great thing about list view is it shows you all the metadata for any given asset. And no, metadata is not a new fancier tone for metronome. It is data about data. In list view, you can choose the metadata you want to see. For example, if everything that you used is shot on the same camera, then you may not want to know the camera info, the shot rate, all that stuff's going to be the same, so you don't need to see that information. So as you can see right here, this panel has a whole bunch of information. Some of it may be handy and some may not. If you control click the top part, it says meta display. Once you click on that, it's going to give you a whole list of things, and you can go through and take out the things that you don't want. So if you want to take out the meta end and the meta duration, the meta start point, and then once you click OK, it takes those things out so you don't have that taking up space. And speaking of organization, there's a hide option to make sure that you don't accidentally use the same clip twice. Back in the olden days, you know, the times of the Wild Wild West, it used to be tedious to make sure that you didn't use the same clip. You would have to either create a use clip bin and move all your videos over there, or rename all of your videos with some kind of letter in front or a period in front to make sure that you had something showing you that you already used the videos. Well, that is now a thing of the past. Now it's all the way over here, and that's not really convenient if you have all of this stuff beforehand. So what I like to do is if you drag it, click, hold, and drag to the front, then that'll be the first thing that you see. So it's right next to the image name, so it's easy for you to see what you're hiding. And then after you use that footage, you can just click the button, click hide, and now it's gone. But say you need that video again, what you're going to do is you're going to control click on any of the open things. You're going to go right here to view hidden, and then it pops right back up. And then you can just unclick it if you want to keep it out. So that is a little bit more about the hide button, and it can help you when you don't want to use the same clip twice accidentally. Now, don't worry, if you're not a fan of list view, I have another option for you, which is called icon view. Icon view is where all your videos show up as thumbnails. This can be great if you're more of a visual person and you need to see a little bit of that clip that you're looking at to know what that video is of. So there you have it, folks, a tutorial about project panels. Now, I made it as fun as I could and the most entertaining. I know organization is not fun, not in your house, not with your files, not with your videos, but it's something that needs to be done. So these are two different ways that you can look at how to organize your videos. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks from me, your favorite host, Monique. Thank you.